Hey guys, I have a couple of questions about this little Grizzly mill. So it's about the draw bolt. I'm going to take the cover off. First I have this center punch that I ground down to fit the Priest Tools holder. So this kind of like goes right in. So it makes it easy when I take things apart. Now some guys ask, how come I can't pull the holder out when I loosen the screw? Take your wrench and tap it on top. The reason it sticks is because it's slightly dirty, the tapers. And how you clean it, if you take some Scotch-Brite and go in there and clean it really, really well, and chase it back with mineral spirits or a rag or something and totally clean it out. And it'll make it stick less. Ideally they don't stick if it's perfectly clean, but with the oil on it and your fingerprints and all that, it gets dirty again. Okay, so now we'll pull these parts apart here. I'll show you what I got. I'm at the bench now, and here's the draw bolt. The draw bolt is 7/16/20. It's a grade 5 screw. This might have come, I bought this on eBay, and it came from an automotive supply. I don't know if it was a Chrysler alternator bracket, I don't know what it was, but I believe that's what it was. Anyway, this bolt is 9 3/4 long. From the top of the bottom of the screw head to 9 3/4. This part here, it threads into the top of the machine. I imagine it's a metric thread. And I bored this out on the inside to 755. The length doesn't matter, but this is 1 inch 3/30. And what this does, this is like a centering bushing for the machine, for the draw bolt. Now the inside piece, it fits inside like this, and the head rides in like this. So that's how it looks when it's on the machine all together. So I like it because it sticks up, and I could see the bolt, and I could just unscrew it. The thing is, though, you need the alignment bushing here, because otherwise, if you don't have, this has a thread on, but if you don't have this inside, it will tend to, the head of the screw will wobble, and then it'll cause vibration on the machine at high speeds. So I'll give you the sizes of all this. The bushing that threads in, again, is 1 inch 3/30. The OD don't matter. It's a 980 diameter, and I bored it through. I bored it at 759, bored through. The threads on this side are 755. So it's almost so it's not removing the threads, but it's almost there. So it's 758 or something. The ID of the bushing I made is 740. The length is 1 inch. Without my glasses, I can't see. 1 inch 745 long, and the ID is 458. So this fits in fairly snug to the bolt. And this piece here is your bushing to align the top of the draw bolt. So it all keeps it all nice and straight as it's running. Otherwise it's going to wobble, and it's going to do this thing, and it'll wobble on you and vibrate. All right, so I hope that helps you out. Now if you find a longer bolt, it's no big deal. You just got to make a longer bushing and proportion it to, if you go 1 inch longer, you need 1 inch longer of this to keep your threads right which the dirty end of the threads right here is about, looks like about 1/2 inch going into the holder. So, all right, I hope this helped you out. Good night. Here's a close-up of the Priest Tools tool changer assistant, or whatever they call it. But this here is a center punch that I ground down the end. So this fits into the hole of the into the machine. So when I change tools, I just stick the pin in there like this, and then I reach on top, I unscrew the draw bolt. But if I forget this in here, there's no chance of it me snapping it off, because the switch is going to keep, I can't close the door. But now it'll start. So that's how that is right there.